Morning folks, just stopped off to have a look at Guy Martin's motocross track, Thoresway. I'm deep undercover on the Lincolnshire Wolds. Hopefully no one will notice me. Right, let's have a look at it. Thoresway, Guy Martin's motocross track. Looks pretty good. And a bit more of it from the other angle. Well, what did you think? Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Not the best video in the world. Can't get too close, don't want to get my boots muddy, or get done for trespassing either. But there you go, have a drive down, have a look. See you later, lay back, ride wide.